Number 1. Bestow. These profiles provide a simple and effective solution for installing porcelain tiles or stoneware. They offer multiple advantages, including preventing weed growth and allowing water drainage when used outdoors. They also provide stability, preventing tiles from moving or wobbling. Additionally, some profiles protect tiles from chipping and joints from warping, as well as offer protection against injuries caused by sharp tile edges. Installing profiles is easier than filing the edges and often results in a better design. Moreover, these profiles create clean and attractive joints between tiles and other materials. Number 2. Sempergreen. Urban greening has been shown to enhance the happiness of city dwellers. However, challenges need to be addressed, such as the vulnerability of trees to extreme heat waves. Green roofs like the ones presented here serve as alternatives. They can be installed at angles of up to 45 degrees and consist of multiple layers, including a drainage layer. The thickness of the roof can reach 110 millimeters, and it can be used with various types of roofing materials. These green roofs provide fresh air, sound insulation, and extended lifespan for the main roof. The investment can be recovered within 8 to 21 years, according to the manufacturer. Furthermore, solar panels can be easily integrated into the green roof system. Number 3. Stilum. Traditional playground surfaces are being replaced by a more advanced solution. Instead of using prefabricated tiles with special granules and polyurethane resins, grids are utilized. These flexible grids adapt well to uneven terrain and allow the planting of grass, which is particularly valuable in urban areas with limited green spaces. The grids are either 45 or 65 millimeters thick, with each cell measuring 1 meter. They can accommodate swings and slides without any issues, and the surfacing ensures rainwater does not accumulate. It provides comfort for movement, including with strollers, and reduces the risk of soil erosion. Number 4. mc-injekt. Recent research indicates that the shape of a city influences its rainfall patterns, with round cities experiencing more frequent and heavier rainfall compared to square or triangular cities. In light of this, it is recommended to improve drainage systems in preparation for unpredictable weather events. mc-injekt offers a low-profile neutral design that can adapt to various areas easily. Their flexible hose expedites installation, and the system is available in different versions, including one that collects water and has a debris filtration system. The storm drain can hold 19 liters and is made of commercial-grade polypropylene, priced at $77. Another option is a 2.4-meter long hose priced at $25. Number 5. LiftSol. The LiftSol system offers a concrete-free solution for elevating terraces and pergolas. It involves driving foundation screws into the ground and adding spacers to create a stable base. This method is suitable for any weather condition and soil type. It minimizes debris generation and eliminates the need for excess soil removal. The system accommodates not only wood but also tiles, featuring a special support system for tiles of any size. For those concerned about durability, the system can also be used with fast-drying concrete. The price is available upon request. Number 6. JOBLOX. These blocks present an innovative construction solution that allows for building compact houses quickly. They offer several advantages, including the ability to work without a foundation, lightweight blocks that surpass the strength of ordinary bricks, and breathability. The dimensions of a constructed house using these blocks are 4.8 by 3.6 by 3.8 meters. Originally designed as a meditation studio, it can easily be converted into a residence for 2 people. The material offers thermal and acoustic efficiency while avoiding issues with thermal bridges. This construction format may shape the future of the industry. Number 7. MAI. A manufacturer with over half a century of experience in producing concrete and reinforced concrete structure products, presents the 3-continuity strip Starbox. This solution enhances the secure connection of structures, allowing them to withstand vertical and horizontal loads effectively. Buildings face various forces, including temperature fluctuations, shear, tensile, and compressive forces, which can lead to catastrophic consequences if not properly addressed. Max Frank's solution involves creating notch joints, reinforcing the building's ability to withstand these stresses. It is suitable for 8, 10, and 12 mm reinforcing bars. Custom solutions can also be manufactured if needed. Number 8. Havelock Wool Blown In. In addition to its insulation properties, Havelock Wool Blown In also possesses passive air filtering abilities. The material is breathable and self-extinguishing, igniting only at high temperatures. This makes it an ideal insulation option, as demonstrated on the screen. blown-in insulation using this material is easy to work with and does not require specialized clothing. The walls are treated to repel insects and effectively suppress mold and mildew. The manufacturer has gone the extra mile by selecting the perfect breed of sheep and